Ang aktres at celebrity mommy na si Maha Salvador nalagay sa panganib ang buhay ng ilang minuto matapos isilang ang kanilang first baby ng mister na si Rambo Nunez na si Baby Maria. Mula sa Instagram account ni Maha Salvador ay matapang nitong ibinahagi sa publiko ngayong araw ang kanyang naging delivery at labor journey kung saan ay ikinwento nito ang kanyang mga hirap na pinagdaanan sa panganganak. Ayon kay Maha Salvador ay halos nag-50-50 nga ang kanyang buhay at halos 30 hours na din siyang nag-labor. Ganun pa man ay sobrang thankful naman si Maha na kasama niya ang kanyang mister at buong pamilya sa Canada para tulungan siyang mag-alaga at bumalik ang kanyang lakas. Hinangaan naman ng maraming netizen si Maha Salvador dahil sa pagiging strong mommy nito na kinaya ang lahat upang ligtas na mailabas si Baby Maria. Narito ang naging buong caption ni Maha Salvador kung saan ay ikinwento nito ang buong pangyayari sa kanyang panganganak. Exactly a week ago, I experienced an intense 30-hour labor, 12 hours without epidural, 3 hours of pushing, then ended up having episiotomy and forceps, 2 contractions and 7 pushes later, we finally welcomed our baby Maria. Immediately had 10 minutes of skin-to-skin contact with her, but biglang nagka-emergency, I had uterine inversion, kaya kinailangan nilang kunin sakin si Maria at binigay nila kay Rambo who was seated helplessly next to my bed. 3 OB-GYN were there trying to put back my uterus manually which led to blood loss of 3 to 4 liters, then my blood pressure went down to 60/40. Sinabihan na lang ako ng doula ko na anytime I would have to go to the operating room for surgery. That time sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko na I can't do anything anymore, ubos na lakas ko. I started praying Hail Mary paulit-ulit kahit wala na akong lakas. And miraculously, after their last attempt, one of the OB-GYN succeeded in repositioning my uterus. Amen. Despite the challenging journey, gusto kong i-express ang gratitude ko to all the medical personnel na nandun nun, especially to the Filipino nurses who provided unwavering care and support, Ate Vanessa, Angela, Ate Gloria, Ate Christina and Ate Beverly. Thank you. To my doula Grace, thank you for everything. You did your part beyond your job. You're amazing, recovering now. Ang swerte kong kasama ko ang pamilya ko dito sa Canada. Love you Mama, Kirby, Martin and Mom. See you soon Ate Yans, Kuya and Big Babies. Thank you also Dinah Babes and Yaya Lynn. To my husband, I love you. To my Maria, everything is worth it. I love you anak.